Them holler boys. Yo, what's up YouTube? We're fixing the Amigo and we're torquing the heads on the BMW. Alright, Merry Crimbus. So we're gonna be parking the old airhead for the winter. So I got all its accessories bolted up. And I just want to give it a service before I put it away. So we're going to torque the heads and check the valve lash, and I think my wiggle, whatever that is good. Alright, like I said, the bike's in the trailer and we're doing a tune-up. So I got it off the ground so I can spin her over. And I've adjusted my valves. It's 0.10, 0.20 millimeters, and the head bolts are 29.5 foot-pounds of torque. My end play is good. You have to check it when the valves are open. Right now I'm on the other side. They were all too tight. I don't think this bike has ever been serviced like that. So now that I got the valves adjusted on this side, I'll spin it over 2 more times, check it on that side, check it on this side again, and then I'll button her all back up, put the battery in, fire it up, and I got the front cover off just to throw the timing light on there and check it before it goes away for the winter forever. It's a shame that the outside looks like this, because she gonna be ripping. Alright YouTube, fun fact. So once I get the bike dropped off at my parents' garage, we're moving the MG today. Yesterday was the whatever the fuck that is, power steering rack, even though it's not done. Alright, so I just got my alcohol and I'm wiping down the gaskets, and I'll wipe down the heads. For all of my BMW information off of YouTube, I watch Chris Harris. He's a, annoyed old man with reason, tired of the bullshit, and he knows the facts. He really tells you how it is. He tells you what to do, and get it done. Alrighty, I already did the other side twice. Alright, my valve lash was getting so tight I was losing compression. We just did a startup. I had to open the trailer. I didn't really want to do too much of a startup to smoke out the shit that I'm putting in my mom's house right now. But dude, she fucking lumps right now. It was not sounding like this before. Still a little cold, I guess. I'm gonna bring it over there and check the timing with my dad. That'll be fun, he'll like that.
You gonna take the helmet off?
Well, that's the 3rd helmet.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. There's 3 helmets.
Leave it there.
No, and then that's the part you're gonna have to hate storing, is I got the extra bullshit.
What?
Just a box of bullshit.
What's this dangling here?
The sticker broke, but it's not hooked up to the battery right now, but that's USB if you want to charge your phone.
Oh, cool. And what's this here?
That there's that rubber O-ring down there that goes there, it just slides out on the brake line. So, check out my new temp gauge. Temp gauge is climbing. And I just checked my timing. I got my timing light all on. And well, now it looks like, oh no, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the camera. Everything's kind of fucked. But it's right on the money. It's supposed to say S. And it's right in the center. I can see it, so I'm happy with that.
Where's that plug?
Alright, just took the timing light off. Gonna fill her up with tools and put the timing light on, and that's it.
Is that yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
Does it stay with the bike?
No.
This stays with the bike and this stays with the bike.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Now
there
that
it is.
now that the sander's off.
There it is. Oh, it's got my kidney belt. Yeah.
I'm running it out of gas right now. Oh, it's got that stupid little hat in there. The stupid little hat.
I don't know what that is. That's
Oh, there's the gasoline. She's empty.
okay. Good. It's done. Not quite.
There she is, tucked in right between the wheel horse and the Mercury. Send me a picture of it when you get a cover.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We're all done.
Alright, so we got that much on this side. And no much on that side. So, she thought it would go back there. I don't think so. We out.